Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Vernice Lim. Today I'm going to show you a house at PUCHONG, Taman PUTRAPRIMA. It's freehold, as standard renovated, 22'x65, 4-room, 4-bath and get a garden. Living and dining area is adjoining. We have high ceilings. Here is the dry kitchen. This extended area is the wet kitchen. Full tiles. This is the maid room. You can use it as utility room also. Common toilet. Downstairs there's one bedroom. Can easily fit a queen size bed. Let's go to first floor. All flooring has changed to wooden. This is the second bedroom with ensuite bathroom and the third bedroom with ensuite bathroom also. They have space structures for bedroom extension if you need it in future. Here's how the bathroom looks like. Now we're going to the master bedroom. Owners has partitioned the area for wardrobe and toilet. They have bathtub and access to balcony. The spacious balcony for your gathering, or you can hang your clothes. This house is not facing any house, so you have your privacy. If you want a move-in condition unit, this one is definitely your choice. For viewing or listing, please kindly call 016-989-3389. See you in next video. Bye!